For this morning's meditation, staying in your bed if you'd like, under the comfort of your blankets and the support of your pillows, stay in this semi-awake state with your eyes softly closed or lowered, attuning to your body and the rhythm of breath that fills into your body. It's ebbing and flowing, rising and falling. You might notice it at your chest or in your belly, in this stillness of space, this sacred time of the morning, just for you, in this semi-awake state. Recall if you had any dreams, and if nothing is coming to your mind, aware of whatever's coming up for you this morning, just noticing how you're feeling. Breathe in fully now. Exhale, sighing it out. Another deep breath in, sighing it out. And if you'd like, invite in one more deep breath in. Exhale, sighing it out. As you get ready, prepared to greet this new day, anchored in yourself, you get to set the tone, the mood for your morning. What is it that you want to invite into this day? Is it a sense of stability or action or delight or curiosity? Imagine that's represented by a warm green light that moves up your body from your toes as it moves up your legs to your hips, giving life to the force that you want to bring this morning, flowing into your chest, flowing effortlessly up to your heart, gently opening your heart. That green glow circulates to the fingers and hands, gliding up your arms, filling you with vitality, an effervescent and radiant light. This green glow bringing life to your neck, your head. It's as if you're covered in a full green glow, representing hope and fortune and good luck. So as you absorb in this beautiful energy filling you up, you can start to feel your mood beginning to change, beginning to embody this feeling, this perspective that you control today. Every decision you make, every action you take supports the vitality of how you'd like to express yourself. Breathe and fill yourself with this green light. Exhale, imagine that you radiate full of life and vibrancy from the inside out, full of energy, you're anchored in the direction of where you're moving yourself today. Taking a full breath in, holding it for a moment. Exhale, let it go. And enjoy this magnificent day. Namaste.